All you need under one roof at Akutubhaya for 2 days, where you will find some beautiful neck pieces, some jewelry sets for this wedding season. If you want this kind of Indo-Western kurti sets, some Lucknowi sets, or some winter wear collection with denims, some velvet sets, cord sets. If you want some printed shirts, and we have got this kind of western tops as well. If you want some portleys, clutches, bags, we do have that. We have mukwas and much more. So do visit Akutubhaya today and tomorrow. And winter wear is here. Look at something in velvet if you need some cord sets, some denim dresses, some denim jackets, some winter wear tops if you want. We have got at flat 300 price. And if you want this kind of velvet cord set, then we have at flat 1000 rupees. And these are the bottom wear, more than 50 colors and designs available with us. These are some clutches, some portleys, perfect for this wedding season. Look at that. We have got printed shirts as well if you want, like this. And more variety available in cord sets, something like this. Kachri work kurtis, shirts at flat 500 rupees, and the bottom wear are also at flat 500. And in Lucknowi, if you want some short tops, some long kurtis, some whole set of Lucknowi, then we have got beautiful collection. We do have offer in Lucknowi as well. Flat 200 off on any piece. You can see the collection of Lucknowi. We have got almost everything, like from printed to some whites to some solids, some ombre, spaghetti, and everything. Like if you want some bottom wear, then we have variety in bottom wear as well. If you want something in khadi or in double layered plazos, we have that. Some short top as well in Angrakha style, and some cord set as well. In all of white collection, something in cotton and khadi, you will have this kind of beautiful chaniya choli. And if you want this kind of floor touch gowns, again we have beautiful collection. You can see we have got dupattas as well. If you want to get it dyed, we have different designs available in dupatta. We have got kurtis as well, something in shirts, top, cord set, everything in all of white collection. Then we have this kind of heavy handwork kurta sets, 3-piece sets. If you want in A-line or in straight fit, then we have different color options and design available. And you can check this, something in tissue, something in handwork, something with mirror work in cotton. We have got different designs available here, from wedding to some semi-festive wear. We have everything. And some statement wedding jewelry. Look at the piece and the detailing of it. Perfect for any wedding function. You can see the designs of bangles available here. Some more beautiful earrings with kanche. And if you want something like this, then again you have beautiful collection. These are some neck pieces, perfect. Some perfect chokers with different color options. And some micro malas with different designs of bangle. You can see that. And then we do have some beautiful anti-tarnish earrings like this kind of rings, perfect. Some beautiful gifting option if you want this kind of bangle set, very cute. These are some chains and options, something in diamond. So if you want some party wear shirts or tops, then we have got this collection. Something in dresses if you want of cotton. Some nice pastel tones, light colors with the designs of embroidery. You can check this out. We have got more collection, something in denim jackets, something in statement embroidered pieces like this. And apart from this, we have this kind of 3-piece suits available with different designs. Something in tissue, something with this kind of handwork, different designs, heavy dupatta, and much more. એન્ડ તમારે કંઈ મિનિમલ જોતું હોય લાઈક ધીસ સુઈ ધાગા કાઇન્ડ નેકલેસ, તો એમાં બી વેરાયટી તમને મળી જવાની છે વિથ ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ઇયરિંગ્સ, વેરી પરફેક્ટ. And this kind of sets perfect for the parties, wedding functions if you want. We have got this kind of earrings as well, some micromalas, collection of beautiful micromalas, some monzonite pearl chokers. Look at this. And some beautiful jewelry options are available here.
Hello. So we have 3-piece sharara set. Something in anarkali. Beautiful dress in beige. Another anarkali dress. Then we have option in Malchanderi as well. And apart from this, we have lot of innovations. You will get lot of designer.
Then again we have jewelry collection. You can see something in Kundan Chadau if you want. Some statement piece like this. And some statement long neck piece if you want with this kind of rings. And some beautiful heavy Kashmiri earrings of different styles. Like this. We have got ear cups as well in the collection. You can see more designs are available. We have types and variety of mukwas and seeds available here. You can see the different kind of seeds, mukwas, something in amla, imli. If you want something in roasted chana or the variety in chana, masala chana, something in tutti frutti, James. We have got everything and you will get it packed like this. We have got so much imli, amla and so much more. Then we do have jewelry with us, some anti-tarnish, something in German silver, some unique pieces available here, some beautiful micromalas, this kind of heavy chokers if you want, and this kind of statement piece for this wedding season if you want in long neck. So if you are looking for something in anti-tarnish jewelry, then we have got this kind of beautiful earrings, something in karas. We have got some rings as well and some routine wear for your daily routines. We have got some wedding collection as well. Look at this Kashmiri jewelry, the most trending one. And if you want to go with this kind of traditional jewelry, we have got the collection. We have got beautiful collection of chokers as well. And look at these neck pieces. Then we do have this kind of kurta sets, sharara sets like this.
जो भी कोरियर का हो मुझे बता देना.
Yes. Something with heavy handwork on it, 3-piece suits and different color options. You can also check the more variety available here.